Did she leave or something, or why is she not answering?
She's there.
Are we good?
Yeah.
Don't
Good.
change anything.
Yeah, don't do anything. Just
stay
I
right.
wanted to say hi.
Gotcha. Hello.
Hello, dude.
Say hi.
But yeah, forget you guys. Okay. Shall we get down to business?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay. So I guess we can go through the answers and then, or anything anybody has questions on.
Well, the group meeting is the questions from the review. So
Okay.
it's just the review just as a group now. So it's the exact same questions, just comparing kind of what we did.
So I'm really sorry about the confusion, but I am only on number 15 because I was actually working on it right now thinking, oh, I have till 8. I was so confused.
It's okay. I don't have all of mine done either. I have most of it done, but
we can do it together.
Yeah.
Here,
Which
bud,
honestly will. Right. Okay, and then actually the whole 10 o'clock thing though, that's not. Oh my gosh. So it's not this upcoming Tuesday, but the one after.
Okay, so just remind us then.
I will.
Yeah.
Gets a little confusing. Okay, doke. So do we just want to start with number 1, or what are we doing?
Yeah, let's just do that. Number 1, I put true.
What? Oh.
Because of the group meeting.
Like.
Oh, geez, sorry. I was like, that's not what I got.
Okay, hold on. Yeah, I was really confused when you said that. I was like, wait, what? Okay, hold on. I gotta re-log into my account.
Okay, and just a little forewarning. The easy ones, let's just go as fast as we can because I have to leave at like 6:20 or so, 6:15. So.
Yeah.
My computer's going so slow right now. It's probably because I have 50 million math things open.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because it's through lessons 10 through 15, right?
Yes. No, lesson 9 through 15.
Oh, 9?
Yeah, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Okay,
and
so
then 14, not 15.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is 15. It's not really anything. Okay. One second.
So number 2, Jared, did you get A?
I got A, yeah.
Okay. Oh my gosh, where am I? It's a group meeting. For crying out loud. Okay. So, yes, we are 90%. So, what did I put? Yeah, I put A.
We are 90. Okay.
Yeah.
Number 3.
I
selected
put B.
20 females.
B.
Yeah.
Okay, sweet.
The 4th.
Number 4. No, wait. Number 4, also known as number 3. I put D, or the last one. But I could be wrong.
That's what I did.
Okay, because I had done C, so maybe I just read it wrong or something.
Right.
Do you want to go over it, though, just really quick? So
what does it say? So it's on base. Sorry.
No, go ahead.
So it's the independent because
Males and females, but remember how before they were talking about wives and husbands? Well, if you pick the wives, then you have to pick the husbands, and this one it's just random men and random women.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
That's where I got it wrong then. Okay.
So yeah, they really don't reflect. So on this one I wasn't 100%. I was deciding between A or C.
I thought A. That's what I put, but I'm not sure about Carrie.
For number 5?
Yeah, because C, I was like, well, maybe if you up the percentage, then. But I mean, I circled A.
I got none of the above.
Really? Why?
Yeah.
Well, okay, so it says in the text that if the margin of error goes down, the confidence interval goes down.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
That means we need like a 90% confidence interval or something, you know?
So margin of error.
But so it's less than 10. If you want to go back for review later, it's
Number
10
5
less
is less than 10.
Yeah, and that's kind of what I've been doing is writing notes like where the things are, what lesson they're from, so we could look back easier.
So if margin of error goes down, then the confidence or the
Goes down.
Is narrower. So a large margin of error has a large confidence interval.
Yep.
Okay, gotcha.
And so the question is, what would produce a smaller margin error than this one? It would have to be a smaller confidence, like a 90%.
level.
Right. Okay.
That's none of them. Okay.
Gotcha.
So I don't know. If we get it wrong, then we'll know that that's not the right reasoning, I guess.
Well, based on what you're saying, it makes sense. So I mean, fingers crossed. So then.
Sorry.
Sorry, just you.
I know.
So number 6, I said B.
All right, number 6, I said A.
Blah. Why'd you say A?
Because you have to do the formula that I used was the X bar plus or minus the Z
times, is it the 2?
Z times standard deviation over the square root of n.
Oh, I think I did something a little different. So
I did the X bar one and I got A.
Oh, well, I am odd man out on that one.
Do you want me to tell you which formula we both use then?
Yes.
All right, do the X bar plus or minus the Z with a little asterisk.
What do you mean, the Z with the asterisk?
Do you remember that little chart
times.
like a 95%
Gotcha.
confidence interval is 1.960 or something, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, Z with the asterisk or whatever, and then standard deviation over the square root of n.
Gotcha. Okay. So then with the X, would you put the 1,000 and then...
Yep, so it was 1,000 plus 1.960 times 2 over the square root of 4.
Okay, so yeah,
Watch out, bud.
a little different. Okay, gotcha. Because I was looking at my notes and I obviously did something wrong, so...
Yeah, number 7, I didn't get any of those numbers, and I probably did my math wrong.
Yeah.
I did get C.
You did get C.
And the formula that I used is the one that's the sample size formula, which is
okay.
N equals Z, whatever that Z asterisk times standard deviation divided by the whatever that M is. What's M? Margin of error squared.
Oh, okay, yeah. I'm pulling up my formula sheet right now so I can see exactly what you're talking about.
So it's just called from lesson 10 sample size formula.
Yeah.
Sample size form lesson 10. Okay. So for 7 or whatever, number 8, I put C.
That's what I was thinking because of the greater.
Yeah. Or, yeah. Wait.
Like the U is greater than the.
I got A. Because they're trying to test that the apartments are actually smaller than advertised.
I was just noticing that.
Lame.
I was just noticing that. Okay, yeah.
Hey. Sorry, I'm talking to my kid.
Like, yes. Okay, let me just fix that on here.
But am I wrong? Let me just make sure here.
No, you're right. Honestly, I was reading through it and I thought, wait a minute, and then you said it.
Okay.
So the next one in the statistics test hypothesis, I said D, but I wasn't 100% if it was supposed to be A.
Hold on, sorry. Dude, come on.
So I was kind of going back and forth between A and D.
I have B.
B?
I was thinking B.
Because you always, remember how you always reject the null if the p-value is less than the level of significance, A?
Right.
So I think that would make it statistically significant if you reject it, right?
Yeah, then I think I mixed up like when P is bigger and when P is smaller.
Yeah.
That's why I said the larger than.
So yeah, p-value has to be less than.
So, yeah.
Okay, so yeah, B.
At least that's what I thought it meant, because it said statistically significant. That I didn't know, but that's what it sounded like to me.
No, I agree. So the next one, oh man, I feel like I'm getting all these wrong.
No, it's good, though, that we can actually talk about it, so.
Oh gosh. Okay, well, for the first one, I said A.
For 10?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Okay, good. Got one right.
I don't know. What did Jared get?
Yeah, what did
Alright,
you
hold on.
bell shape. Yeah, because I mean, if it says everything is.
Sorry, give me a second.
Nope, you're fine.
Yep.
I got A on that one as well.
Yeah, because it says everything is pretty much equal or bell-shaped.
Yep.
So it's normal. Okay. So then number 11, I said B.
Well, I said A because she rejected the null when it was actually true. That's a type 1.
I thought that was a type 2.
That's in lesson 9, just for your...
Yeah. It's like all these little details. Okay. See, I even looked that one up. That's so annoying.
Well, let's just make sure then. Maybe I got it wrong.
No, you probably didn't get it wrong. You're a lot more thorough. I mean, because I was looking, whenever
I got B as well, so I think maybe I just did something wrong on that one.
It says this, by creating a small, what is that? What is the A again? Whatever. To lessen the chances of a type 1 error, the chances of committing a type 2 error, wait, which one am I reading the wrong one?
Yeah, do number 11.
Oh, yeah. I was like, wait a minute, I feel like I'm answering the wrong one. Okay, so the next one is D.
12?
Yeah.
Wait,
Okay.
do you want to go over to make sure that I'm right on number 11?
Yeah. Well, that's what I thought I was doing, and then...
She was reading the wrong one.
Yeah, pretty much.
So I just pulled up my notes. I didn't pull up the book, but it's under lesson 9. It just says type 1 error is when you reject the null when it is in reality true.
Reject.
And type 2 is when you don't reject the null when you actually should have rejected it.
Okay, let me write that down just in case. So type 1 is reject the null
when it's actually true. It should be kept. Yeah, and then type 2 error is when you fail to reject the null when it's actually not true. It needed to be rejected, but you didn't reject it.
Fail to reject.
Perfect.
When. Okay. Gotcha. All right. So then, yeah. So then that one we'll put a type 1 error. 12, we said we would put
D. And that's honestly how far I got, so.
Yeah, I put D on that.
So on the next one, oh, I don't know. I said B.
No,
Don't quote me on that though. That one really.
so, yeah, I got D. You need to reject the null, but I did have one question about it. So,
Yeah.
Let's talk about it real quick then.
so,
So,
what I did was to find the, I obviously wanted to find the z-score.
Right.
And then plug it in.
Okay, so that's what I did. I got for the score, I got 1.765.
Okay, good. Now, which side did you shade? That was my question.
I think I shaded to the left.
So I decided to shade to the right because the question said that, it says it's greater than.
The content is actually higher than advertised, or where is that?
yeah, but if you highlight the left or the right, it comes up with the same answer.
Yeah, right?
0.0388.
Yeah, it just means if you didn't, if it was less than, you would have done the middle and the left.
But why would you do? Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that would be the difference in the answer. So I just want to read it to make sure I shaded the right side.
Yeah. So
Okay,
let's.
so the question is this evidence that the mean nicotine content is actually higher than advertised?
So, did you get a p-score of 0.0388 then?
Yes.
And then
And if you shaded both of them, you would get whatever. If you shaded both to the left,
there's like 9 something.
Yeah, then of course you would
0.961.
You would fail to reject the null, but
so I think that's what I did.
So I thought you shaded just the right, but tell me what you guys think, because I'm not. This is one thing that gets me every time.
Well, now that I'm reading it, where it says like is actually higher, so you're looking for the table. So you're just
you're looking for higher than the z. Yeah, so it should be the right then.
Yes, that's what I would.
Okay.
So 0.0388 is smaller.
Smaller than 0.05.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, I didn't even notice that it was the alternative and the null. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
So there's like the tiniest little line indicating the difference between the alternative hypothesis and the null hypothesis with the A.
Yeah, you missed that. You get it wrong.
I know. I'm worried about it.
Number 14.
So that would be 13, right? For us.
Yeah.
Well, that'd be, paired, right? Or independent test sample t-test?
That's what I said. Independent.
So D.
Yeah.
D.
Okay, that's what I put. Independent. So on the next one, I put D as well. I put D.
D, yes.
Yeah, because they are brother and sister, okay?
Yeah. On the study.
Okay, I did not. That's where I'm done. I'm going to be kind of ineffective because I thought I was so confused. I'm so sorry, but
well, it's okay.
I haven't worked through the rest of the problems, and I only have like 15 minutes till I have to leave. So, we could like come back to the meeting in like 2 hours.
We could just read the questions and see like if we would be able to like know what we would need to do to solve the problem.
Yeah, okay, let's do that.
So for 16 or 15, whatever,
yeah.
B.
Yeah, so wonderful prophecy.
When the mean is unknown, or the deviation is unknown.
Yeah, I wouldn't even be able to help out because I haven't even worked it. That's what I'm saying. Like, you have to open up a data file and everything,
Yeah.
That one, it didn't really have much on it.
Okay,
because the researchers were like...
Okay, so this one I could probably just answer. Okay.
Yeah,
so
this one you could just answer. The next one, you would have to do
Pull
it.
it up.
Do the
Okay.
file
You
yourself.
have the right answer.
All right, let me look here.
So, construct a 95% confidence interval for the mean dissolved organic carbon level in the field. For you.
So they want to know. So yeah, they just want to know the mean. It's not comparing. They're not comparing two things. And so they So I guess it would be B because I don't see that it says anything.
No.
You need it.
That it's known, but I didn't look it up, I guess. But
well, they didn't really give us anything, so that's why I said when it's unknown.
Okay, that makes sense to me. So I'll put that.
Yeah, and so the next one I looked it up with the, and I got D for that. I mean, I know you guys would have to look it up, but I'm next to positive that's the right answer.
Okay.
Okay.
Whereas most times I wouldn't.
Yeah. Alrighty, so as long as we know which formula to do. Okay, then the next one, random sample commerce for sale lessons were taken. Okay, so already we see Los Angeles and New York, so it's two things.
So it's one of the two bottom ones.
Yeah.
C.
And they want to know the difference in the mean listing prices.
Okay, so
two.
So I guess would they be dependent? Because but they don't really affect.
I think they're independent.
Okay, because that's what I put.
Everything.
Okay, so then that would be D as well. I mean, honestly, a lot of these, you don't have to. The next one you do have to plug in the information.
Okay.
But I guess, like we said, we can figure out what.
Yeah.
Because I didn't get I didn't do that one.
Okay.
Alrighty, so then.
Look at 20.
Yeah.
Let's see, this is suggested.
I'm reading it. Yeah.
Prices.
3 groups.
So we have to find the 95% confidence interval for that information.
Well, first we need to figure out which hypothesis test. Wait, are you on? Which one are you on?
20.
20.
20. Okay. All right. So let me read this so we can see which one it is. I think that has to be a no because it says there's 3 groups.
Right.
Because the only thing I've seen with 3 groups is the ANOVA, right?
Yeah, it has to be a no if there's more than 2.
I think I tried to use a different one.
Thanks, bud.
I forgot what it was.
Okay,
so then we'll do the ANOVA on that one.
Yep, and then that answers 1 and 22, 23.
So then we gotta go down to 24.
Yep.
So wait, will it give us like just one test statistic and one? I mean.
It'll give you the test statistic for each.
Right. So, but then why do you pick just one? I mean,
no, sorry. Test statistics. That'll be for the end of the ANOVA box.
Okay. That's okay. Well, then it also So let's see. Oh.
24.
Yeah. So 20 is ANOVA. Sorry.
Yeah.
So end of ANOVA box. Right. And then the p-value. It doesn't say isn't that the two-tailed or whatever?
Yeah, the SAGIT or what's it called?
SIG.
SIG, yeah. So that's just we'll just have to figure it out as well. Hey,
Right. I just want to make sure I'm finding the right information. So then 23.
I think it's dependent matched pairs test because the flights are dependent on each other and you're getting the difference. Are you talking about
23?
Yeah.
Or are you talking about 24?
24 on the actual test. Which one are you on?
I'm on 23.
23, we have to get the answers first.
Oh, right.
I can't do 23, yeah.
No.
Yeah. So 24.
Yeah, so 24.
The dependent.
Yeah, just because it's the same ticket, it's just a different date. So the one sample is dependent on which one they pick for the next one because they pick the same flight, just a different date.
Right. So with that one, I don't know. I think I tried to do an independent sample test.
Wait, this is the one that got me so messed up.
Before. They've done this one before.
Totally messed us up.
Yeah. They've done this example previously.
Yeah. But it has to be dependent because they're asking for the difference of the mean.
Right.
And then they're saying
okay.
The cost of an airline ticket 90 days in advance and then a ticket purchased only 14 days in advance.
So I went to go do this on the thing, but I went to do the compute or whatever and subtract the two. But then I didn't know what to put for the group. Because you know how you have to put in the actual difference as a variable and then you have to put the group. I didn't know what group to put.
Okay, well I guess this is my question. Is Carter ready? Yeah. Okay. Is it the same flight that they look at 14 days or just random flights that are 14 days in advance versus random flights that are 90 days in advance? That's what we need to understand, I think.
Yeah. If
it's the same flight, then it would be dependent. But if it's just they're measuring flights 90 days out and they're measuring random flights 14 days out, then that would be independent.
Well, it's saying that the lowest non-stop flights.
And at the end it says, perform a hypothesis test to determine if there is a difference in the cost of the non-stop flights when tickets are purchased 14 days in advance compared to 90 days in advance. That just makes me think it's like the same ticket.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the cost of a one-way ticket from
Heathrow or Heathrow.
I think it's dependent. It's got to be dependent matched pairs test. But if it's not that, if you can't get an answer with that or it doesn't make sense, then the next option is it's independent.
Right.
So if you can't get it on dependent, try that first, and then it's got to be independent if it's not dependent. Like when you're trying to work it, you know.
Yeah.
Then move on to that. Like if it's just not coming together.
Yeah. So then that would give us the rest of the answers.
Yeah.
If you guys want, I mean, you can submit yours or whatever if you're ready, but in like 2 hours when I get back, like so at 8 o'clock, well, I'll be back, yeah.
So 10 my time.
I'll text you guys what I got for the rest of the answers if we want to compare.
I mean, yeah, we can do that.
Yeah, Melissa, do you need to go right now, Melissa, or no?
I have a group meeting at 9, another group meeting, so, I mean, if we can do that before then.
Well, I think if me and you want to just start working through these together, and then...
Just save it for later?
Yeah, then have Carrie... then Carrie, you can email us and say, hey, this is what we got, and we can compare with you as well. Okay,
yeah, so you guys stay on. I won't, wait a second. How do I do that? If I get off...
Yeah, just go to save for later.
Yeah. Oh, can we save this for later? Yeah, we can save this for later.
Save for later, okay.
Yeah. It's the homework.
All right, then, I've got off that. And then as far as the Google Hangout goes, I'll just, if I hang up, you guys still stay though, right?
I think so, yeah.
Oh, I'll just leave, if I leave the call, but you can still be there?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll leave the call, and then you guys stay, and then maybe I'll see if it shows up on my thing, and I'll input it. Otherwise, I'll just say that we had the call on the place that I recorded, whatever that's called, group collaboration, group collaboration file. I'll make sure I record that we met.
Okay. Sounds good
All
to
right,
me.
thanks, guys.
All right, you
All right,
too.
we'll hear from you soon.
Bye.
See ya.
Bye. All right, so
Okay.
I'm pulling up my that first question. Sorry. How you
Which one are
feeling
you looking
about
at?
yourself? I think is it 16? I think I can't remember now. Where you use your used Hummers, New York and Los Angeles.
Right.
I don't know.
All right, hold on 1 second.
Yeah, mine's loading.
So is she just leaving it on?
I guess so.
Okay, wait, you guys, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so it says you're currently broadcasting.
Yeah,
Exiting
it
this
shows you
Hang On Air
live.
will
Yeah,
also
so it shows you
stop the
live.
broadcast.
Oh, so
Make
yours
it
will stop the broadcast.
No, because she's live. Just make it not live anymore.
So if you stop the broadcast, you can still stay on the call, right?
Yeah, just stop the live broadcast.